few days ago, after an entire day of sightseeing in the high flying city of Dubai, we felt like eating something filling, something that is little affordable, and something that really reminded us of back home. So we came to a restaurant that offered Indian Chinese food in comparison to all the glitzy, glamoury food that we are finding outside. This was something much closer home. Now, if I say that I hadn't heard of this restaurant called Chiang before, I'd be caught lying because all of my Malu friends, wherever they are, they vouch for this restaurant they have back in Cochin. It's called Chiang, and Chiang does great Indian Chinese food. It's very dependable. The food is super consistent. The portion sizes are huge. Service is quick, but the every box is ticked. These guys know their business, and that's why this place is frequented mostly by Mallus. The servers are Mallus, and it's like a little bit of Kerala back here in Dubai. So I'm not going to even order my food. My friends are going to decide. But what I'm insisting on is the typical thing that we all middle class Indians do is getting the soup 2 by 4 and ordering a plate of chicken lollipops. And while we're waiting for the food to come, it's customary to flip through the menu. So I'm doing that and noticing that काफ़ी elaborate है menu. I mean, lot of appetizers, lots of meats. I'm a meat lover, so I'm just focusing on that part. But you can obviously read that there is a lot of variety. So there is something for everybody. And this is the seafood section. Lot of variety, no dearth. पूरा पेज भर के है. We flip this over. There's the rice and a lot of rice, noodles as well, plenty of variety, and there's also some chop suey. My dad would absolutely love an American chop suey. There's also some vegetarian food, there are some beverages, and there are the combos. So that's the menu of Chiang.
A few moments later.
Hello, hi.
What's that, sir?
Chicken manjo.
Super chicken manchow.
सनी चेटा बोलिए
Cheta.
थैंक यू
I gotta say, they really started on a familiar note. This is a solid start. This soup looks just the way I've had it back in India at so many of these restaurants. I just had to put a little bit of the fried noodles on top क्योंकि वैसे ही मज़ा आता है manchow soup का. Here comes my chicken lollipop with that cute little aluminum foil कोने में लगा on the bone. This is so typically Indian. I am loving this already.
5 minutes later.
Main course is here. We can't wait to begin. The noodles are here. The chili chicken is here. Smelling nice, and it's a big generous portion. I'm loving this. First thing on my plate is a big heap of noodles. Simple चिकन हक्का नूडल. इसमें कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. देयर इज नथिंग रियली फैंसी अबाउट इट. जस्ट द फैक्ट दैट इट इज़ रियली वार्म. इट्स कम रियली हॉट फ्रॉम द किचन and just served quite immediately, and it's smelling nice. I am just going to dig in as soon as I get some chicken on my plate. Thank you, sir. आओ चिली चिकन. तुम्हारा ही तो इंतज़ार था. We've come all the way because we've heard so much about Chiang का चिली चिकन. So first on my friend's plate, now on to mine. बच के कहाँ जाओगे? We've come a long way. We've waited far too long for you. Thank you, sir. And that's a minor damage we had for a fantastic dinner along with friends at Chiang's. We had a wonderful time. I don't mind paying this at all. Now, if I had to describe today's meal in one word, it would be satisfied. That's exactly how we felt. We felt satisfied. And as a restaurateur, as a hotelier, I can tell you from personal experience, that's not an easy feat to do. To get your customers, to get your guests to feel satisfied at the end of the meal. So well done, Chiang. The portion size was so good that we just had 2 appetizers, a soup, 1 appetizer, and just a couple of main courses. That's it, between the 4 of us. And there was still a little bit of the food in the end that we were all pushing towards each other because our bellies were full, but we didn't want to waste it at all. So that's the kind of food you get. The bellies are full, but you still have a little bit of need to have a little bit more. So that's the craving you get. So great work, Chiang. The soup was absolutely top notch. So the manchow, can't pick a fault in it. When it came to the lollipop, I'm a little more picky. The sauce was delicious. It was their version of the Szechuan sauce, so it was pretty good. It was quite yummy, in fact. But the meat on the chicken, I felt we could have done with a little bit more. It was crispy, all right, but I just felt that there was not enough meat on the lollipop. But that's just me being picky. And when it came to the main course, the noodles were great. Can't you do anything wrong with that. And the chili chicken, every chef, every region has a different recipe. So this one had a little bit of bones in them. So I love that chili chicken with the chicken in the bone. That's the kind of stuff I like. So I love this meal. I'm Chef Japveer. I'll see you again very soon. Do make sure that you go out to Chiang. I personally recommend it. I'll be back again with another honest review. Until then, bye bye.